My dear students and nature lovers, today we're going to explore a beautiful botanical garden that's just a short drive away from where we live. Imagine strolling through a lush garden, surrounded by the most vibrant and colorful flowers you've ever seen. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and the scent of fresh blooms fills the air. The garden is a haven of tranquility, with its lush greenery, picturesque waterfalls, and stunning flower displays. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. This botanical garden is a haven for nature lovers, and it's the perfect place to relax and recharge. Whether you're a gardener, a photographer, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, this garden is sure to leave you in awe. So, let's pack our bags, grab our cameras, and head to this stunning botanical garden. As we stroll through the garden, we'll learn about the different plants and flowers and their unique characteristics. It's amazing how each plant has its own story to tell. Remember, nature has a way of inspiring and rejuvenating us. We'll explore the garden, meet the gardeners, and share some tips on how to care for your own garden. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more nature-filled adventures. Until next time, stay curious and explore the world around you.